see a zombie hiding behind that tree right there. Oh yeah, Big Daddy's getting ready to clean your clock. Big boy, here we go. You won't be biting anybody else, but I'm talking about. Hello guys, Big Daddy Hoffman 1911 coming to you this evening. The other day I posted a video on this Browning 1911/22 compact. Yes sir. And you're going to see the first shots come out of this bad boy. I'm using the CCI ammo, copper plated round nose. And we'll see how it cycles. I'm really excited about this one. Wonder how it's going to feel. Let's check it out. All right. Got my ears. Got my eyes. And I've got 10 rounds loaded up, so you should see 10 rounds come out with no failures. We'll see. Here we go. Okay, gun's on fire. It's hot, ready to rock and roll. Here we go, guys. I'll start here on the left. All right. That felt good. That really felt good. Let me load it back up again. Okay, we're loaded back up. This time I've got 10 in the magazine and 1 in the pipe. Again, it's just like shooting a scaled down version of a 1911. You got your safeties, grip safety, you got your manual safety. Let's see what we can do. My glasses fogged up a little bit on the other one, so I cocked them down a little bit this time. All right, I'm gonna try for that torso right in front of me and see just how good it is. Or how good I am. Here we go. All right. I love it. Let's look at that. All right, let's zoom in there and see that pattern. Not too bad, guys. I'm about 30 feet back right here. Not bad at all. I love shooting this one. I thought I would. Okay, she's loaded back up with 10 more rounds. I do like these magazines. You have this little assist to help you load them. A lot of them don't have that. But it only came with 1 magazine, so looks like I'll be searching for a couple more at least. All right, I'm gonna get you a side shot here. Here we go. All right. It's like a little midget 1911, eh? All right, catch him with his teeth, as I always say. Sweet Browning 1911/22 pie. Yes indeed. I am tickled to death. All right, let's do something else. Okay, let's get you one of those right in your face type shots. Here we go. We're ready to rock and roll. Yeah, get ready. Camera, you're gonna die. I love it. Let's see what this shot looks like. This time you should see 11 come out, okay? Here we go. Aha. Well, 11 got through it. It didn't lock open on me that time, so let me try it one more time. Here we go. See if I can get around here and get you a POV shot. All right, we're hot. Yeah. That wasn't a very good shot because I couldn't see the sights because of the way I was standing behind the camera, but she sure performs well. All right, I got her zoomed in on Evil Roy there, so let's see what we can do to that. Here we go. Should see 11 come out. That's pretty nice right there, guys. Evil Roy's dead. If that had been a zombie, he'd been dead too. Man, this is more fun than a barrel of money. Yes, sir. I love it. All right, I've already done the closing on this video, but I can't stop shooting it. I just can't stop. I love this thing. It is wonderful. Man, how much fun can one man have out of a 22? Yep. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it some more. I think I've already shot 100 more rounds since I closed the video out. But trying to get some good shots as the sun goes down. Here we go. Yeah, that'll be a good one. Get you some of that. Oh yeah. One more time. All right. Is that not sweet? All right, let's ring a little bit more steel. The gun's hot. So, what do I think about the Browning 1911 22? Well, I'm gonna say it's some sweet brownie pie right here, boys and girls. I really like this one. The only hiccup I had was failure to lock back. That was it. It cycled everything well. I was again using CCI ammo, and it performed just like I thought it would. Excellent. So I am tickled to death. So just a sweet, sweet shooting pistol. I can't get over how well it felt in my hand. It was just a joy to shoot. Me being the age I am, it's got all black sights on it. Might want to put me a little white mark on the front sight, because that black on black target shooting is a little hard for me to see. I could paint my targets white and that would solve that problem. But guys, check out that other video I just posted if you want to sit through an 8.5 minute review, and I show some of my other 1911s. And I know that was a long one, but I wanted a guy here this evening to shoot this one. I really had a good time, and I really appreciate you guys watching. It means a whole lot. So I really enjoy this sport we all share. So if you like this video, like, favor, subscribe, And remember, Big Daddy loves you. Hoorah. Always say that. But I mean it. See you guys. Take care. Sweet John Moses Brownie. Bye. I love it. All my targets are dead. Both my cowboys are dead. Browning's 1911 pistol killed all my targets. What am I gonna do? I reckon I'll try to bring them back to life here. Oh yeah. Just brand new now. Leonardo da Vinci couldn't have done any better, guys. Yeah, let's straighten out this old cowboy right here. Oh, beautiful. Now, if I just had some red, I could get rid of that shot there. I'm sort of covering up the evidence. See ya.